Aside from using avocados to fill our guacamole craving, this dense superfood is also a great ingredient to include in your skincare and diet regimens. Avocados contain a high concentration of healthy fats. The difference between healthy and unhealthy fats, like saturated or trans fats, is that the unhealthy kind can cause swelling while the healthy kind can actually prevent swelling. On average, a medium-sized avocado contains about 20 grams of fat, which makes it one of the best items to grab. When eaten, avocados can lower your cholesterol and protect your heart health. When applied topically, monounsaturated fats have anti-swelling properties that can comfort and calm irritated skin. So if you experience redness or sun-damaged skin, adding avocado into your beauty routine can actually help improve your skin's appearance. Avocados have the ability to enhance your skin tone after including them into your own DIY face masks. Adding avocado can help with retaining moisture and calm swelling, perfect for that stubborn sunburn. There are also anti-aging benefits of avocados since they are so high in vitamins and fatty acids. Moisturizing. Rich in vitamins A, D, and E, avocado oil is fantastic at moisturizing dry skin and protecting against factors like harmful UV rays. As the seasons change, it offers comforting moisture and even is carefully thought to be a natural healer. Since it's a rich source of vitamin E, it can also help with acne scarring and hyperpigmentation. Along with using it on your face and body, avocado also works great as a hair conditioner. Strengthens skin. Avocado oil contains a mix of fatty acids that includes omega-3 and omega-6. So if you apply this onto your face, it helps strengthen your skin, since it's an important part in our skin's natural lipid layer. This is extremely important to having happy and healthy skin, since a weak skin barrier is more likely to experience redness and infection. Anti-aging. Avocados are a rich source of vitamin E, which helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains chlorophyll, which is responsible for giving avocado its nice green color. Chlorophyll is a body-protecting chemical that protects us from early skin aging. Avocado oil also boosts collagen production, which keeps our skin looking flexible and plump. Natural sunscreen. Avocados are one of those oils that also contain a high amount of body-healing chemicals and sun-protecting properties that protect you from ultraviolet sunlight and ultraviolet sunlight rays. So it works as a natural form of sunscreen and also as an after-sun product. If you've been out in the sun for too long, avocado oil is an excellent way to comfort sunburnt skin. Out of all the vegetable oils, avocado oil has one of the highest natural SPF coverage. For more information on avocados, check out our page, Natural Home Cures.